A for arms that hold so tight, keeping us safe through day and night. B for brain, so wise, so keen, a world of thoughts yet unseen. C for chest, where heartbeats play, drumming songs of night and day. D for digits, fingers small, yet they create, they shape, they call. E for eyes that shine so bright, speaking love without the light. F for foot that walks the way, step by step, come what may. G for gums that smile so wide, holding laughter deep inside. H for hands that build and care, a mother's touch, a worker's prayer. I for iris, colors rare, a painting hidden in a stare. J for jaw that speaks the truth, or holds it back like wisdom's youth. K for knee that bends with grace, yet stands up strong in any place. L for liver, working deep,